Man, oh man, yesterday, guess what happened? I got hit by a bird bomb. Oh boy. Well, not pressing that right on top of my head outside, right up here. I actually landed in a freaking another wig, and then that wig I had there, had to go wash my wig last night. Sometimes the birds get pretty accurate aim in the city. Like they say, pilot the bomber there, pilot the bomber there, Siri, 12 o'clock high, bombs away. Yeah, that's just what I see over it. Ugh, man, that's been disgusting. Well, I had to wash my wig out and get rid of all the foul over it that bird bomb caused. Anyway, not good. Log over.